Alright, so, they sent me to let everybody know I got the, turner for my microwave today. And it feels heavier and thicker than that one. Because this one is thin and, yeah. This one is thicker and heavier than this one. This is thick. Thin is, yeah, and then, see, I can see the difference. I can tell the difference too, even just holding up this one. I can tell the difference. Seems to be a better one. Okay, well, yeah. Let's see. So yay, I got a turntable now. Yeah, I got it, well, a turner. Okay, so I'm throw that away. I'm glad. I just wanted to let everybody know that I finally got it in the mail. It took a little over a week. But I'm in business now to use the microwave.